Hey you guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a couple of different bows. So this is the first one. It is pretty simple. Just look at my hands. I take the ribbon and I go around 10 times. So it's that simple. Grab the ribbon, take it around, and I do it 10 times. I wanted to show you a couple of examples of different bows that I had a request. So I had to make the video just to show you how you can make different bows. Some are big, some are small, but either way, you can use any kind of ribbon when you're making these bows. Don't get scared. Go ahead and grab some ribbon from your dollar store and practice. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and cut it, and you're going to hold it like that. Look at how it looks. It looks just like a circle, and that's exactly how it should look. Then you're going to press it down, and you're going to grab your scissors, and you're going to cut the corners. You're going to cut all 4 corners. So grab a good pair of ribbon scissors and just cut away the corners, all 4 of them. It's that simple, trust me. Then flip it around and make sure you're still holding it nice and tight, and cut the corner as well. When you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the middle on both sides, and you're going to put it towards the middle, just like that. You see how it looks kind of like a bowl right now? The next step is you're going to grab a piece of string or another ribbon or whatever you want to tie the middle with. Now, when we tie the middle, we're going to tie it super tight. We don't want nothing moving until we're ready to move it. So grab a piece of ribbon that's thinner or a string or some burlap, and just go ahead and tie the middle as tight as you can. So make it super tight, as tight as you can, and then go ahead and tie it again. Now bring it around. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to grab every single piece of ribbon on each side, and we're just going to go ahead and pull it and twist it. It's that simple. So we're going to go ahead and pull it and twist it. So every one and every piece, go ahead, pull it and twist it. Pull and twist. It's that simple. So I want you to do that to each piece that you see here. Just pull and twist until you have pulled and twist all of them. This can be used with any kind of ribbon. So go ahead and make it with the big kind, the thin kind, the thick kind, any kind. You're just going to make a cute bow to put on a birthday gift or on top of a Christmas tree. Anywhere you want to add this massive bow, it's going to go on there. And it's going to be the same steps. So just pull and twist. Pull and twist. It's very easy, trust me. Once you make it, you can make it with any kind of ribbon. And it's going to look so cute. And it's that simple, you guys. Just to make an easy ribbon that you can add to a birthday box, that you can add to a Christmas box, that you can just add to any gift. Then once you got it, just play with it and make sure it looks exactly how you want it. You can go ahead and add more hoops to it, so you can do it 15 times, 20 times, as many as you want. It's going to be nicer and thicker. So the more hoops you make, the nicer it's going to look. But once you have it ready, go ahead and put it in a box, and you're done. Make sure you cut the ribbon at the bottom to match. And you have a gorgeous bow that you can use for anything. I'm going to put it to the side and we're going to go ahead and make another kind. Now this one that I'm making coming up, I don't want to talk too much. I want you to go ahead and just look at my fingers and look at the way that it's going to come out. So look at how cute that is. Now you can go ahead and grab a box like this and just attach it to the box. It's that simple. You grab the ties that you used to tie it with and make sure you make them long so you can go ahead and just tie it to the box, and look at how presentable that is. That is a great way to package up a gift, to give someone. You can make it smaller if you want or bigger. It's really optional. It's up to you. But I love the way these bowls come out, and they're so cute and they're great for birthday packaging. And you can also put them in front of a basket. So that's a good way to make a basket. You can add a bowl to the side of it as well. So you can do so many things with it. It's one of my favorite bowls that I like to make, especially when I'm gift wrapping. Now this next bowl, let's pay attention. So I just grabbed a piece of ribbon and I'm going to use my two fingers. So I don't want to talk too much. Just go ahead and look at what I'm doing. Did you see how easy that was? Now, it takes a little bit of practice, but once you make it, you can make any bow with any ribbon like this. Super easy, and every time you make it, it's gonna come out perfect. So go ahead and rewind that. If you need to, just look at my fingers and follow the same exact steps I did. I didn't want to talk with that. I just wanted to show you so you could just rewind it and look again. Rewind it and look again as many times as you need to. But let me tell you, every time you make that bow, it's gonna come out perfect. Now with this bow, it is so cute. You can actually just cut the bottom of the ribbon off and just use a little bow tie and glue it onto a hairpin, and it's gonna look perfect on a little girl's hair, or you can just leave it like that. That is always a perfect bow. Now for this one, all I did was I hot glued the ribbon together into circles. You can make it any size you want, as big as you want, or as small as you want the circles. It's optional. It's super easy. Grab some ribbon, glue it together, and we're gonna go ahead and crunch it in the middle. Look at how cute that is. You can even just do one like that, but this is gonna be a double, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it twice. I love this kind of bow. Now, once you're done crunching it in the middle, you're gonna need a piece of burlap, a string to tie the middle. And look at how gorgeous. This is a double bow. And the thing I love about this bow, it is so adorable. Actually, when you're done tying it in the middle, tie it as tight as you can and make a double knot. You can actually use the same string, grab a little piece and just tie the middle and it'll match. But I'm using a different kind of string just so you can see what I'm doing. This can also go on a hairpin or a hair clip and then just glue it on top, and the bow's gonna look adorable. You can make it any color, any size, and any kind of ribbon. Now we're gonna go ahead and make another one. It is super easy as well. I am just trying to show you the easiest way to make a couple of bows and a couple of ribbons. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same hoops, but this time I'm gonna use 3 of them. I'm gonna pinch the middle, And I'm going to pinch the middle. This is a great way of just stacking and making them look a little unique, a little thicker. You can actually put this on top, on the side, on the bottom, however you like it. All three are going to show. And once you're done pinching the middle, go ahead and do the same step and you're going to tie it up. And look at how cute that bow looks. That is adorable. Go ahead and tie it in the middle, give it a double knot, and then if you have the same kind of ribbon, cut a little piece and then just cover that up. And it looks so cute, ready to put on a gift or whatever you want to do with it. Fix it up, make sure every piece shows, and that is adorable. And that's how simple it is to have another type of bowl. Go ahead, you guys, and make different kind of bowls. Just practice at home. Take your time. It's super easy. Just go ahead and follow my instructions and rewind it if you need to rewind it, and just keep practicing. And once you have it, trust me, once you make it, it is super easy to make it just like this one. Go ahead and practice and let me know if you make it. I would love to know. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see what you came up with. And until next time, bye, you guys.